feel as well. Yeah, still look at it, seems like I pop this gauge a bit. And needle still fluctuates a little bit, but it's not as bad as what it was. But it hasn't leaked. Finally have an air system and don't leak no more. Now I've got air on demand really good now. And this hasn't leaked much either. It's about 30 psi left, and I did another shot, and there was a toothbrush went 10 rows in. So it's quite impressive pressure I got. It's quite a fun little air cannon now, quite addictive. There you go, another little one, little portable one, which I've got to fix up a couple of leaks on as well. Yeah, but I might start having some fun now. Might start playing with this MOT. Now, I did make a silly mistake. I paralleled this and here up with this one. I mean, parallel, I just stacked these two together. And yeah, I kind of was brain dead at the time. Completely forgot about arc over. Sure enough, this nice old arced over. Luckily, RCD saved it. You see where it arced over there, but I was able to carefully clean off the carbon off the primary and just got some varnish, wood varnish, and retouched it. So still works quite well. Didn't do any damage to it, thankfully. So bit of wood varnish fixed that one up. I went and put it all over here and all in there, and just add some extra protection to those windings, some extra sealant. I think what may have you have to get your mites matched. So if I find another one identical to this one, there shouldn't be any differences between the two, even though you still have to put them under ventilating oil to stop the arc over from occurring. I think the best results are getting matching mites. So yeah, that was a great way to help overcome the problem. Yeah, I'll give that mite there a rest. I'll give this one here a go now. If I pull the shunts out, this thing might last 2 seconds, even though I get a lot more colouring out of it. Okay viewers, I've finally got a decent bloody beater mixer. We've got a Russell Hobbs one. This is a digital control instead of this sparky switch, which tends to get dirty contacts and spark up easily. I've done several videos on this thing already. We've got absolutely no use in the world for it no more. So I might as well finish it off. Sunbeam has never ever had a recall either, so in a long time, because I always test their products properly. But I'm going to test this product to destruction. I get a nice power cord off it. I kept that for a little transformer. I think that'll be going on this little transformer. Little 24 volt transformer. There's a couple of little filter, I'll have to pull this apart and show it again. I can't remember now. Yeah, I'll keep a couple of other goodies out of it, and the motor will probably just have some fun with it. More of a Carly brand, 0.1 microfarad, 275 volt MKP capacitor. Good for me flyback drivers from the ZVS, which I'm still trying to get working. Discharges this to there for safety. Got some more, must be a little inductor in there, another one of those capacitors, some MOVs. Hey cat! MOVs in there, a leaf spring. 5 amp, 250 volt AC rated. Doesn't look like I'll take 5 amps, those strips are pretty thin. Here's that sparky switch. Very interesting arrangement with this motor though. Everything's on the one side to make it nice and compact. Well, it's time to pull this apart and get some more goodies out of it. Got some goodies out of it, got a nice power cord which I'll use for that transformer. Little stress release for the cord. Well, this perfectly unsoldered and unclipped resistor and capacitor, sweet. Put them in my part stock, some Chinese wire nuts. Just crimp them off with the pliers and Surprisingly easy to undo those. Yeah, they're stupid things. Some good screws. A fan, another one of those little capacitors. Yeah, so I'm going to variac run this thing. I think I won't worry about this field winding. I'll do some experiments. This is run it straight to the brushes off the variac. Have some fun with it a little bit first before you pop it. See how fast you can get it. Wonder if this thing will pop CDs. Don't know if it'll be fast enough. Just can't help myself. I just want more. I won't pop it this time though. I want to try something else different. I've got the variac pedal as per usual. This is on the DC. Let's try it on DC straight to the brushes. 3, 2, 1. Variac 0. Power on. That ain't a very good motor. Only pulling 4 amps. Oh, uh-oh. Power off, unplug safety first. Yeah, it's not going to spin up, it's just going to burn out and have a dead spot on it, so that's all unplugged. I might have to MOT this one. This motor's more pants than I thought it was. Yeah. Useless. These ones don't like their field poles bypassed. Didn't discolour, man, you can smell the varnish. Very well varnished. Alright, no DC, just AC with a mott. Let's mott this thing. Oh, let's have a go at this one, eh? Let's see if this does nothing. I want to blow stuff up, as Andy would say. Alright, variac is on 0, we'll plug in. I found this particular type of motor doesn't like this sort of hacking. Not the right type of brush motor. Pants. Absolute underwear. It's beyond pants. No. No. Does not like having its field bypassed. Alright. Turn that off, unplug safety first. I have to think some way of connecting up that field. This might be a tough one. Let's burn the field out, bugger it. Power on. Alright. Let's connect that up with the brush and the armature winding. Unplug safety first. I get somewhat of a field out of this thing, so run through there, run through there, run through there. I might have to solder a wire from there to there. Let's see. Hopefully I don't pop my good jumper lead on this. This should work. Yeah, the one of these that Andy popped seemed to have worked straight to the brushes. This one here doesn't want to do that. Must be a different type of motor. All the variable speed taps on that field coil there. Okay, variac's on 0. Yeah, let's try now. There we go. I had a clamp to hold that down. That was mental. I will use this. This is a poly PVC pipe. So chicken stick will hold that down. Mental. That was mental. Alright, we'll unplug safety first. Alright. That's well unplugged. Check the heat. That's not too bad. main one's not too bad. I'll play on this side of the wire on there and see what happens. I think I'm satisfied with that. I think that might be the top speed winding, so we want it to go at cellular speeds, this thing. Now viewers, I'll try to have your possible combination on that winding. In this configuration, if your hose is all at the 1 speed, and that's ridiculously fast. Everything's ready to go. Cellular speed. Not putting much current this way. That's fast. I'll make a bracket to hold this motor. Unplug safety first. See if I can somehow come up with a way to adapt the CD to it. Well, I some exploding CDs on this thing. If it's fast enough, that is. Here we go, there's a brand of this motor. It's Trasmp, that's the brand. There we go, to the camera there. 6010. 230 volt, 50 hertz. Yeah, any possible combination I've tried. Although that, it's the same speed every time. All you need to really do, one there, there or there. That's it, the winding's complete, and that completes the field. Any of these, between here and any of these, it'll work. That's what I really need to do, just have a way to complete the circuit, because this type of motor will not work straight to the brushes. It needs this field, because of the design and layout of it. But man, this thing's ridiculously fast. I know I don't know how I'm going to do it, but make an adapter for this thing, for a CD to go on. So, until then, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.